Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at home. Please try to stay safe. I am here with you to discuss about narration. I will give some part of this class, so you have to watch all the part very carefully to get perfection on narration. I hope if you watch this video very carefully and practice at home, then you will be able to perform or do narration easily. There will be no lackings. So I am going to start this class about narration or speech. Today's topic is narration or speech. Though some students tell that it's very difficult topic, but I think it's not very difficult topic. You can understand it easily, so you have to watch my class to the end. Today's topic is narration or speech. Narration or speech. There is two type of speech. Two types. One is direct, another is indirect. Direct and indirect. You can utter direct or indirect. Okay, this two pronunciation is right according to the British and American histories. So, speech direct and indirect. Now I am going to write an example. Tabit said to Arman. Tabit said to Arman, I am reading now. I am reading now. Tabit said to Arman, I am reading now. This is an example of direct speech. Direct speech. Why it is direct speech? Because we are using this sentence as the speaker told. So it is an example of direct speech. Now look at this sentence. There are some part, and if we want to focus on that part, then this is Tabit is speaker. So speaker, here is speaker. First is speaker, then reporting verb. Reporting verb. Speaker, reporting verb. Then here is the third part, listener. Listener. Third part is listener. So if I want to say it that there are parts of direct speech. One part is speaker, another reporting verb, another listener. Then there is one part between the middle of inverted comma, and this part is called reported speech. This part is called reported speech. So this is speaker, this is verb, that is called reporting verb. This is listener, and this is reported speech. This is reported speech. So to do this narration, we have to be careful about all of these parts, and we have to change according to this. So again, I am telling you that Sabit is speaker, said verb, that is reporting verb, Arman is listener, and this is reported speech. So there are these parts, and this sign is called inverted comma. This is called inverted comma. Okay, I hope you have realized this. Now we processed for further. Tabit said to Arman, I am reading now. Then, so here we have to change. We have to change. And what we have to change to make it indirect speech, direct speech to indirect speech? What we have to change? We have to change few things. One is change of person. Change of person. We have to change person because there is I. There is I, and this person should be changed by us. So we have to change person. Next, change of tense. Change of tense. We have to change the tense if it is in past tense in direct speech. Again, we have to change time and place, expressions. Expressions, if there is any. If there is any, so we have to change this. We have to change person, tense, change time and place, expression. We have to change inverted comma. Inverted comma. We have to change inverted comma also. So these are the primary things we need to do to solve any question on narration. First step, change. We have to change the speaker. We have to change the speaker. We have to change the reporting verb. Then reported speech. Tense of reported speech. If we want to change the speaker, then how we should change it? If there is first person. First person. What is first person? The person is used for me, and that is included me, that I, me, my. These are the first person. Example of first person. And if there is anything about you, that indicates to you, that is second person. And if there is any other part, okay, then this is the third person. That will never indicate I and you. This is the third person. So we have to change the person also. Here, if we want to change this sentence, so we have to know some more tricks. That is, we have to change this inverted comma, and we have to change this reporting verb according to the sentence of reported speech. According to the sentence of reported speech. If reported speech is in assertive form, in the reported speech, the sentence is in assertive form, then we can use the reporting verb as say or tell, and in past tense said or told. Said or told. If is in assertive form. If the sentence is in assertive form, then we have to use say or tell in present tense and said othoba told in past tense. Now another part, if we want to change the sentence that is in interrogative form, the sentence is in interrogative form, then we have to use ask or asked. We have to use ask or asked. Then if the sentence is in imperative form, then we have to use request, order, suggest, request, order, suggest, command, request, order, suggest, command. According to the meaning of the sentence. We can also use tell there. We can also use tell there. So we have to use request, order, suggest, command. And if the sentence means anything about advice, so we have to use advice in affirmative sentence. So if reported speech is in imperative form, so we have to use request, order, suggest, command, tell, advise. This. There are two more types of sentence. Optative sentence, optative form. If the sentence is in optative form, so what should we have to do? We have to use pray. Sorry. We have to use pray or wish. Pray or wish. We have to use pray or wish. If the sentence is in exclamatory, if the sentence is in exclamatory form, then we can use exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with joy, or exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with sorrow, if the sentence is in exclamatory form. So we have to change this at first. Now I am going to revise this class from the first. What I have told you, that there are few parts of direct speech. One is speaker, reporting verb, listener, and then reported speech between the two inverted comma. Then we have to use few things. One is person, then we have to change the tense, and then we have to change in the inverted comma, and we have to also change if there is any example of time and places expression. So we have to change this also. Then we have to change the reporting verb. We will use the reporting verb as the sentence tells us. If it is in assertive sentence, we have to use say or tell, and in past form, say, told. If the sentence is an interrogative sentence, then we have to use ask or asked. If the sentence is in imperative form, then request, order, suggest, command, tell, advise, and so more if it is necessary. If the sentence is in optative form, then we can use pray or wish, and if the sentence is in exclamatory form, then we have to use exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with sorrow in this section. I hope you have realized this. I will discuss this in the next part by giving example. So watch this part very carefully, and I hope you will see my next part also. Till then, I have to say goodbye today. Try to stay safe and never miss your prayer. Thank you very much for watching my video.